I'm so excited. Ooh. Ooh. That is gorgeous.
Hey guys, welcome to Abode Above's YouTube channel. I'm Jasmine, and today we're going to take a quick look at how we were able to create this amazing bench that probably would retail for about $200 plus for only 50 bucks in a matter of 2 days. So full disclosure, I'm not a carpentry girl at all. I am not one of those people who can just get down with a saw and be totally comfortable. I need help. So this was a pretty big challenge for me, and I'm so happy that I took it. It's really just having the courage to go out there and try it. And I hope that this project can encourage you to go out there and try something different. I was able to enlist my husband to help me with this project, and we had a little bit of inspiration from this Pinterester, and I'll make sure to link that Pinterest article below in the description box. So if you're interested in how she did it, go ahead and check it out. One small difference, of course, in her project, she did a very small foyer bench, whereas we needed our bench to be pretty long, about 6 feet, to go into a hallway, which doubled as an entryway. I knew that because of the size that we needed, it was gonna cost our client a pretty penny to find something that worked in her space. So instead, we just decided to make it from scratch, and I'm so happy we did because it turned out so great, and I can't wait for you guys to see how it turned out. But first, let's start from the very beginning, which is my husband trying to explain math to me. It doesn't go well. Okay, let's hear it.
All right, so we need 6 slats, right? Typical thickness of the board is 1.5 inches, okay? So 1.5 times 6, you get 9 inches. The problem is that this is a 12-inch board, okay? So you'll be able to get the cuts out here because it's only 9. Actually, it's 9 inches. We don't count it because it's a blade. So what we need though is going to be this.
Huh? Nothing.
8 inches long. There we go. That's our cut list.
Is this the one that you cut your finger on now?
Yeah, which is why I'm gonna have to really teach you what you're doing.
Oh, I'm not using this one.
This is what we gotta do to cut. This work is tables.
I don't like that.
You okay? You got a splinter?
You got a million splinters.
belong to you.
Do just what you want. You're the one I trust, and I always be around when I need some loving, baby. No one else. Let you down.
Let you down. All my melodies,
Take me to your heart.
I belong to you.
What now? Take me to your soul. No one
Playing all my melodies.
So that's it, guys. That was our DIY custom bench that we were able to create for a client's request. We are so excited that we were able to accomplish this for her. She actually loved it. We're just really proud. And I personally am very, very empowered to think you don't know what you can do until you try. And I'm happy that she was able to trust us with that project because it turned out great. Thanks so much for watching this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If you have any questions, please feel free to comment below. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more content like this, and don't be shy. Go ahead and share this on your social media feeds so we can continue to bring you great content. We'll see you out there next time. Bye.